like to request the distinguished guests to please occupy the seats on the dais. Can I please welcome Mr. Siddharth, the Director and CEO of Aura Integrated Solutions Private Limited, and Head of Weddings Hospitality Events to join us as well. Now, I'd like to invite Mr. Dakshinamurthy, the first please. And Ms. Saraswati, the co-founders of Eventa, to please join us. It's an honor and prestige to have you here amongst us. Thank you so much for coming. Wedding Vows is India's most loved wedding lifestyle magazine and online media. In addition to its print on April 14, 15 and 16 at the beachfront luxury hotel, Temple Bay by Radisson Blu in Mammalapuram, Chennai. An exhibition featuring beautiful stalls by premium wedding.
Before getting into what is WVCONNECT, I want to tell what is WV. So, WV is nothing. It's our wedding vows, and wedding vows represents the happiness. So we want to even from our logo, we want to say what is wedding vows. It's not just between a heart and a diamond rings or something. Wedding is all about happiness. That's giving you all a vision what we have. It's the globe which you are seeing here has different colors. It has three C's in it: color, connect, and celebration. It's happening in April 14, 15, 16. And when we came up with this idea, we approached Mr. Vikram Kota and Mr. Ilago, and they were so much supporting us, and immediately took our idea, and we hope we have delivered more than what we have spoken there. And the four highlights of this event that we can talk about is: one is conference, and another is the expo, and WV awards, and the bridal runway. So these are the four key highlights of this event.
World, which are as close to a UNESCO site as this resort. So most of our rooms and some of our restaurant tables overlook the Shore Temple, which is the 7th century AD Pallava Shore Temple, which is one of the UNESCO sites, 36 UNESCO sites in India. So that's a big thing for a hotel to have. And what better place to get married than in such a beautiful place. I think all of you know, I'm a very strong Chennai, that our beach is no parallel to any other beach in the world. It's the time when the opportunity should be grasped, and then we should take this forward into making this a...
I'm not Lakshmi Saraswati, I'm Lakshmi, and that is Saraswati. So it's wonderful to see so many friends in the audience and all my illustrious friends on stage. Thank you, Lakshna. First, at the outset, I want to share with you how happy we are. Can I speak for us? And then a couple of months ago, I talked to you about a big vision that I had. And we were busy with back-to-back events, so we actually met up with him at one of our event venues. He was kind enough to come there, and he explained to us what his vision for WVCONNECT was. To be very honest with you, Dakshina, I should share here. I was a little taken aback because this was larger than life. This is something that has never happened in Chennai before. It has happened in other parts of India.
Pride and honor to announce the opening of the WVCONNECT conference with the vision to connect a global wedding fraternity all under one roof, to spawn the birth of a new global extravaganza. I request Mr. Vikram Kota and Mr. Dakshinamurthy to present to you WVCONNECT 2019. Let us celebrate this moment with a loud round of applause.